heading up to the sunny coast this morning and we're going to check out Obi Obi Road. Apparently it's being sealed on the way down from Mapleton down into the valley, so we're going to go and check it out for you. Daybro, we're going to grab some brekkie. We're at Rendezvous and we might just head on in and see if they've got any of our books left. We'll see how what they got. Yay! Tassie book. We're here at Dahmongah Lookout Park, which is an awesome spot to take a break. If you're lucky, there'll be a coffee van up here and a few other riders, so you can have a bit of a chat. Beautiful. So next up for us, we're going to head down to Woodford and then we're going to make up our way up to the top of the Sunny Coast mountain range and we'll see you up there. so we're at Kenilworth. Kenilworth Dairies across the road. Just had a quick cup of coffee. I'm feeling a bit weary, gotta be honest. So we're just gonna head back up to Mapleton, zip down to Palmwoods, and then figure out which way we're gonna go home.